वेलकम बैक गाइस। मैं निकला गड्डी लेके और गड्डी लेके अगर आप पहुंचने चाहते हैं अपनी होम कंट्री इंडिया, यस आई एम टॉकिंग टू ऑल द एनआरआईज जो मुझे अभी सुन रहे हैं। guys, this is a dream come true. This is the golden opportunity which you have been dreaming and waiting for. I am talking about Billion Dreams 2023, which is the largest return to India hiring event and conference, और जहां आप पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हैं from the comfort of your home absolutely free. All you have to do is go and register billiondreams.globaltalex.com. Once again, it's billiondreams.globaltalex.com जहां जाकर आपको register करना है and you can participate in one of the best events. And guys, यहाँ पर अगर आप जाते हैं इस event में, the opportunities which I'm talking about is working for the top companies like PepsiCo, Dr.Reddy's, Course 5i, Quest Global, Micron, Silicon Labs, Media.net, Biocon, Biologics, and lot more, which are exactly looking for you. So don't miss this golden opportunity. Once again, register कीजिए billiondreams.globaltalex.com. तो ये तो रही बात इवेंट की, but I have somebody very special with me. I have Dr. Jayanth Sridhar, जो कि global head हैं Biologics के, having joined Dr. Reddy's laboratories in May 2021. Career spanning 24 years, he has assumed leadership role of increasing breadth in biologic technical operations in companies developing and manufacturing vaccines, novel biologics and biosimilars. Has been responsible for the development, launch and commercial manufacturing of 6 novel vaccines and 20 biosimilar products in highly regulated and emerging markets. Additionally, he has built and led teams in 3 continents at Merck, Biomarine, Biocon, Cipla Biotech, Albotech, Biological E, and presently Dr. Reddy's Biologics. बहुत पैशनेट हैं ऑर्गेनाइजिंग, बिल्डिंग, टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग एंड पीपल लीडरशिप और मेंटरिंग में, और स्पेयर टाइम में क्रिकेट के बहुत बड़े फैन हैं एंड एंजॉयज लिसनिंग टू म्यूजिक. सो हियर ही कम्स. लेट मी वेलकम डॉक्टर श्रीधर. हेलो एंड वेलकम सर. हाउ आर यू डूइंग टुडे?
Doing really well. Thanks so much for having me on the show.
Pleasure is all ours. So let's quickly start about something very important we talk about, and that is after COVID, it has been obvious that good healthcare is a necessity. So how is Dr. Reddy's laboratories set to make an impact, and why is India the best destination for this?
During COVID, we realized there's so many things that we could provide as a company. We really had not realized that we had the potential to go end to end. Whether it's making APIs, formulated products, devices, getting to patients, trying to understand health insurance, the patient's challenges. So it's been it really opened our eyes. And India's obviously a very large country, 1.4 billion people. Lots of patients who need support of some sort, and our credo is good health can't wait. And so Dr. Reddy's, just the way we do things, I think we are well set up for this. We're also moving into more recent areas like biotech, biosimilars, maps, and so I think we're well positioned, to make an impact. And I think COVID taught us to move much faster. We always thought things took several years, and we found out we could do things in months and days. And so that got us moving much faster. And, I think the whole empathy and dynamism, which are our two core values, really came out through COVID.
Wonderful. And as we all know that Dr. Reddy's laboratory is known for investing in businesses of the future, like drug discovery and digital healthcare. So how important is skilled tech talent for the continued success and the growth of an organization?
Yeah, it's a great question. So I'll tell you a few examples. So we work in biosimilars, we work in complex generics, and we also are moving into novel biologics and novel chemical entities. In these areas, it's very important to be at the cutting edge of knowledge and information. And those who are currently working in companies and universities in the States or other parts of the world have an opportunity to make an impact there. Because in our field, the high-tech field in the life sciences area, things change every few years. So I was there. You said that I've been working for 24 years, but it's very easy to get outdated. So we're always looking for people who are current, who've maybe worked in the last few months in an area to kind of show us the way, and so I think the technical talent of the NRIs could play a huge role. And frankly, I've done this twice. Another thing that I moved once from the States and once from Europe, and while it's intimidating, definitely it's very rewarding because there's just so much opportunity. It's a land of opportunity, and there's just so much need, and it's always, it feels great when you can make an impact.
Wow! So all the NRIs listening to me, as the doctor just mentioned that he has moved twice, so he could be the torch bearer. So after that, I would like to know that जो billion dreams जिसके बारे में मैं अभी बता रही थी हमारे listeners को, so Dr. Reddy's laboratory is participating as a silver partner in Billion Dreams 2023 by Global Talent Exchange. So how do you think our NRIs can contribute to this vision?
Yeah, as I was saying, they have a potential, with the right kind of experience of moving India and moving, Dr. Reddy is one example, but moving the whole industry forward and coming up with new ways to treat diseases. What we're seeing in the biospace, if you look at the life sciences, things have changed so much in the last 5 years. 5 years ago, people were not doing cell therapy and gene therapy and using mRNA. After COVID and after, it's like the whole area has just exploded, right? But I think NRAs, people who have a global view, can kind of bring in some of the ideas into the Indian ecosystem that, and help us get maybe more efficient, more innovative. And it works both ways. I think someone coming in with a different perspective could also learn and understand how things work in India. While it may seem chaotic, there's a lot of innovation here as well. So I think it's a win-win for both sides.
Absolutely. So yes, before I let you go, do you have any message for all the NRIs listening to you right now?
Well, I guess I've done it twice, and I wouldn't have had it any other way. India is a country where you can get any experience you want. If you want a very Western lifestyle, no problem. You want to be highly conservative or highly culturally oriented or religious. There's something for everyone in India, which I think is, that's why you see so much of the world looking to us.
Yes, exactly. Yeah. That's the beauty of India.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for being on air with us and sharing this important message for all the NRIs, and I would say the Bay Area, because they are filled with the techies. So listeners, आप सुन रहे हैं अभी about the Billion Dreams 2023 जो Return to India biggest hiring event and conference which is happening virtually, and you can participate by just registering billiondreams.globaltalex.com. Once again, billiondreams.globaltalex.com, and the dates would be 22nd and 23rd September. So thank you so much, Dr. Sridhar, once again for joining us on air, and we hope the event gets a big success.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.